looking at the new alley transformations. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody had a really fun and safe Halloween. I sure did. If y'all don't already know, I dressed up as Miss Frizzle for Halloween. If you haven't checked that video out, it will be either in the description box, in the cards, on my channel, any other way you really find the video, go ahead and go check that out. Today we are going to be doing another transformation video, hence my channel name, Alley Transformations. And I really got inspired by this thrifted transformation type outfit because of the colors reminded me of fall. So I decided it would be perfect for the first day of fall. So I got these pants at Walmart. Yes, yes. And what I loved most about these pants are the fact that they had this plaid. Then I really like the color on top of it because it has a little bit of like a burnt orange, mustard yellow, black, brown, beige. It got like a mix of those kind of colors in the plaid pants. So I thought it would be perfect and just be easy to kind of match this with anything. But really it would be perfect for wearing to my observations, for professional wear. It would be perfect for casual wear where you want to look nice and cute but also still be kind of casual. I just thought it was a really good all-around pair of pants to wear throughout the year. Most importantly, these pants are perfect for fall and winter due to not only the colors but the material is thicker. Just pair it with a sweater and some shoes and you are good to go. Honestly, I just love I just love these pairs of pants. This pair of trousers were $16.86. Now, that's actually not bad priced, but it's pricier for Walmart. Time and True, which are the brand of these bottoms, is really trusted. I got them before and actually their stuff lasts just as long as a lot of brands in the mall, as of jeans and whatnot. So they may be worth the buy. Walmart, you did me well on this one. First things first is that we are going to try on the pairs of pants. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. Up close and personal. Here are the pairs of jeans. I hate boot cut. That's exactly what these are, if you can't tell. By the way, I really like them in the fitted part of the pants. They come with pockets. The back pockets, of course, are false. Like, what do we need pockets for? The idea is to make the top part high-waisted. I'm gonna let y'all guys know something. I never made high-waisted bottoms before. I dabbled in watching a few videos, but besides that, I never got to physically making high-waisted pants before. So really, this is my first time doing this. And we're doing this first time together. Honestly, that's never stopped me before because I'm Alley Transformations. I do whatever the I want. We look fabulous. Maybe I'll look a little bit more like a fashion designer if I wore these glasses while doing our little project. Say hi to the camera.
Say hi to who?
Say hi to the camera.
To the camera. Hi.
That was my mother. Very nice. Say hi. I'm so happy, guys, that you're actually getting to see my family. First it was my sister, now it's my mom. My dad is a supporter actually on my channel. Hi, Dad. So yeah, anyways. I think the easiest way to achieve the high-waisted pants is by taking a pair of pre-existing high-waisted pair of jeans and pretty much doing the same measurements, measuring from the top part of the pants to the crotch and getting that length in between. And then we are going to take that length and then measure the same thing right here. Measure it out on these jeans and then cut the extra and then sew the rest. I feel like it's better shown than said, so let's go ahead and get right on to the sewing. Okay, so first I wanted to measure out my jeans and then measure about an extra 1.5 inches from my markings. So my pants were 11 1/4 of an inch, and so I added 1.5 inches. That gave me the measurement of 12 3/4 of an inch. For those of you who do not already have high-waisted pants, this is an easy way to kind of guesstimate a high waist measurement. Next, we are going to take apart the seam of the crotch area of the pants. We want to be careful and take our time. It's okay if it takes a millennium for you to rip the seam of the pants. It will create a little gaping hole that will be talking to us, and that's okay. We are going to measure out the 12 3/4 of an inch, or whatever your measurement is, on the pants and make a marking on each side of the crotch area. Once we made our markings, we are going to start from that marking point and go up to the bottom of the zip of our jeans and make a slight curve. If you make too big of a curve, your pants will be tighter than usual, and we do not want that. We're going to do the same thing to the back, and of course, go ahead and cut out both of your markings. There will be a big hole in the crotch area, and that's okay, because when we flip our pants inside out, we are going to attach both sides to make our new crotch length. After I flipped the jeans inside out, I laid the pants kind of flat, like as if somebody's doing the splits, and then I attached both sides with some regular sewing pins. Once you've done that, we are ready to sew. On the sewing machine, we are going to use a straight stitch. Make sure to keep the legs out of the way. Do not get it tangled up with the needle, because it will make a really weird funky little spider web look when your legs are attached to the crotch area of the pants. We do not want. And here are the results. Please give me a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I'm watching. Have a happy fall, everybody, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.